What's up, everybody? Welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be reviewing an all-new robot. This here is Eilik by Energize Lab, a company that's actually made a robot that is both interactive and fun to go ahead and play with. Now, you can have multiple of these in, which I believe we have about 6, and have them kind of play about, and they come with accessories, and there's a lot of different fun interactions, and just seeing them move about, it seems really cool. Now, if you guys want to learn more about them, check out the link down below the description, and without further ado, let's go ahead and open this thing up. So this here's our box. Kind of looks like Eva from WALL-E. You have that cute looking resemblance there, and especially with his eyes, almost kind of like Cosmo in a way. It says Eilik. It's a little desktop companion bot with endless fun, rated for ages 12 and up. You rotate it about, it does show that they do have different activities. There's touch sensors, so that's cool. So you can go ahead and pet it on the top, the belly, and then I believe also you can pick it up, and then I'll know in terms of like a drop sensor. It's equipped with an EM3 servo, so it does have servos in there, so the waist does move, the head moves, the arm moves, and it doesn't really move from the position, so it's just on a base plate, so keep that in mind. It does have a variety of different features, from a timer, talking, games, shooter, stuff like that. And yeah, I mean, it looks like it's a pretty straightforward robot, and over here is exactly what in terms of breakdown goes. So some things that we do notice, it does have a shock sensor, touch sensor, that's cool. Speaker, display, button, vibration motor, microphone, a touch sensor on the back, touch sensor on the front, infrared sensor, and a magnetic pogo pin. So you can go ahead and attach the different robots together and have them line up and essentially play with each other. All right, let's open this thing up. Oh, that's cool. Looks like there's like a comic book in here. And then we have a nice looking comic here. It looks like it shows the different years. 2021, it kind of shows them playing about, and then 3249, they're kind of like fighting about, and they're using their guns, and I don't know. Pretty fun stuff. So it's supposed to be interactive and playful is the main thing I would say. It says hello, and haha, sweet. It does have a battery built into it, meaning you don't necessarily have it to be connected to power the whole time. So that's nice to know. This here is our Eilik. So in terms of the robot goes, a few different things. So it's got a like nice rubber texture compound material. There's a lot of different layers, I noticed that, so there's a lot of pieces. Your touch sensor here is on the top, your LCD display here is in the front. You do have your speaker on the back, and then you have a servo in the arms, like that. So left and right have a servo, servo in the head, and servo in the waist. Now you do have your microphone port over here on the bottom, your USB-C port on the back, sensor on the bottom. You have your magnetic attachment between different Eiliks, left and right. And yeah, looks pretty simple, as well as very interesting in design concept. It is fairly lightweight, so just keep that in mind. And I think it's actually a nice size in terms of a robot goes. So there is an accessory box on the back. Let's see what's in here. Now, one thing to note is that the little accessory package is random. So every single Eilik that you get comes with random toys or accessories that you can attach to it to give it a little bit more of a flavor or a characteristic. Then we have our magnetic attachments with our 3M tape. So that simply just attaches to the product, which attaches to the arms. And then of course a user manual on how to go ahead and set this thing up. To turn it on, we're gonna go ahead and hold the on button like this. There we go. And there's our boot up screen. So right away, the character is very lively and interactive, which is cool. You can see it moving about. There's not a moment where it's just standing still. It's constantly moving, which is really cool. And it is interactive, so I can go ahead and just pet the belly. It likes it. You have a sensor on the top, so you can go ahead and pet on the top. And then there is a sensor on there, so if I put it upside down, It's scared. Kind of sounds like a minion. Now the screen highlights a light blue display with a black backdrop, and the animations are quite friendly, which is really nice to see. Now in order to go into the menu mode, all you gotta do is click the belly button right over here, and this will go ahead and switch between the different modes. So this here's our heart, so I just select it. I think you select that like that. There you are. So I think it's just like a very interactive mode. Press it again. So we'll go into the menu. So this here's a game, select it. So you put a bomb. So you have to guess which one it is in. So we'll guess left. Oh, we didn't get it. Right. Got it. I love the animation. That's really cute. All right, so that's fun. So that's just like a game of like guess which arm it's in. So this here looks like might be a music one. Let's try this out. Oh, looks like it's picking up a melody. Hello. Oh. All right, look at it go. So it's got some smooth moves. You can see it kind of positioning itself in kind of like a very smooth like motions. So they're really cool. It's kind of doing like a wave. That's cool. Oh, 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 oh. That is cool. And surprisingly, the servos are very quick and responsive. They're a little bit loud, but I don't think it's really that distracting. All right. So that is that. And then this here is like a microphone. Testing, testing. Oh, so it's like a parrot mode. Hi guys, this is Conflicts. How's it going? Yeah, so that's pretty much what that is. Pretty cute though. Really, really cute, I have to say. Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at Eilik. All right, and then this here is a gun game. Okay. All right, so pick our weapon. All right, so you pick that one. Shoot. So when the target's in the range, you have to shoot the alien. Missed. Got it. All right, so that's cool. So it's like a gun game, pretty interesting. And this is a puppet mode. So this allows us to go ahead and position our robot in any position that we want, and then you can even like change the face expressions. And like this would be great for like photos or just kind of having on display. We have a timer, so we can set up a timer. So like if we're studying, okay, let's set it for 0. And that's the alarm going off. And you turn it off by pressing its head like that. That's cute. And then lastly, we have this. So this here's also a timer. So let's do 0. All right, so studying time. And I guess it's just a timer, so it just says it's 0 now. And then we have our settings. So we can adjust our brightness of our screen. We can adjust the volume by simply bringing the arm up or bringing the arm down. So that's kind of nice that it does give you the option to do that. So that is that in a nutshell. So overall, really cool stuff. Let's go ahead and connect itself a buddy and see how it interacts. As previously mentioned, one is fun, but when you have a second one, that's when it gets a little bit more interesting. So I'll set this guy here, and then we'll connect this guy together like this. And they've linked. That's so cool. so they can interact with each other too. Oh. That's so cool. Press the belly again. They're like slapping each other. Alright, so now that we have two, we can see the different menus. So they have essentially like whack-a-mole kind of game going on here. So if I select this here, there we go, play.
Ready, start!
Oh, not the pencil. Man, that's too fast. Alright, so that's kind of cool. That kind of shows you what you can do with that in terms of like that game, whack-a-mole. And we can do music too. That's so cool. Oh. That is awesome. Look at them dance. Pretty cool. So you can make them dance together. You have your puppet mode. So you can have them like pose. Like that. Whatever. You know, up to you in terms of photos go. And yeah, that is that in a nutshell. Let's see if we can go ahead and connect some more and see what happens. We're gonna go ahead and add on our third character. And there we go. They went ahead and just said hi to each other. So that's cool. Now if I go into the settings here, this adds a new game. This is Dominoes. So let's try this. Okay. They're doing a wave. That's cool. So you can set more up and essentially do other features as well. So that's Dominoes. Oh, dance party. Well, that's new too. Let's try this. They're singing together. What the heck is this? What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add on some more and see what happens. Alright, so we went ahead and connected 5 of them together. I'm going to go ahead and click on this here. We have domino effect, so let's try this out. So I go ahead and touch this guy right here. That is cool. It's like a wave. Middle one. And yeah, there you guys have it. Overall, it is a really, really cool product, and I highly recommend it. Now, if you guys have any questions, comment down below. Otherwise, see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.